It's 6:48. I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. Everyone is doing their own thing today. So I'm just gonna make a very simple taco salad and I will share that recipe with you guys. All right, I'm gonna change my sweater. All right, that's better. That other sweater was kind of bothering me. Have to keep pulling it up. All right, I'm ready. All right, so this is very simple. I have some, let's see, ground chicken. I have one of these Dole Southwest salad bags. Got some cheese. Take out some, got some corn and some beans and a pepper that I need to get rid of. Okay, so leftover bell pepper. This comes with the tortilla strips and some cheese and a Southwest salad dressing. Chop this up. These are, for me, perfect meals to make that are super quick and simple and don't require a lot of thought, but they come out really good. And you can really play around with the ingredients. So I'm going to add the pre-made salad, or the salad that comes in the package. Some cheese. This is, I think, white cheddar cheese. Yeah, white cheddar cheese. All right, set that to the side for a moment. I'll go ahead and cut up my avocado. Okay, so I got the avocado in there. I think I'm just gonna put the peppers in. I'm not gonna cook them. Just for some crunch. And then I'm just gonna set this in the fridge to chill while I cook my meat. All right, so I'm using some ground chicken. It is best for my digestion. I really can't eat ground beef anymore, and I just don't like ground turkey. For this, is gonna be really simple. I'm just adding in some carne asada seasoning, cilantro paste, and I can't eat fresh garlic anymore, so I am doing garlic paste. I said I was gonna cook the corn and stuff, but I'm not. I'm just gonna rinse it off really good and throw it in the salad. All right, putting the ground chicken in the pan. And just let that cook down for a little bit. Since it's almost done, I'll go ahead and add in some shredded cheese just to give it a little more flavor. Oh, I forgot to do the garlic paste and the cilantro paste. All right, that is done. Now, if you want to add some more cheese, you can. I just don't have any more. And the salad is seasoned with that Southwest salad dressing, which really makes this taste pretty good, in my opinion. And then I just take my meat and I put it right on top. All right, you guys, so that is it. A nice and simple, easy dinner that you can whip together right after work. It is a taco salad using a pre-made salad kit. I added in some ground chicken, corn, beans, avocado, some sweet bell peppers, and eating it with chips. Bye, you guys.